Welcome to the PVC panel wall waterproofing demonstration. In this guide, we'll walk through the full installation process step by step using the forspec protective coating system with Actflex 988 cementitious membrane, Actflex Superflex tape and Actflex SA tape. Together, these products create a durable, long-lasting waterproofing solution designed for PVC wall applications. First, we're going to prepare the PVC panel walls. We lightly sand the surface to remove the gloss, making sure we give the primer something to grip onto. Once that's done, we wipe the entire surface down with alcohol wipes to remove dust, grease, and any residue. The slab or footing junction also needs to be cleaned up and checked. It must be smooth and finished with a neat 90-degree angle at the wall and floor. Now we're going to prepare the Actflex 988. This is a two-part system. It comes with a polymer liquid and a cementitious powder. Start by pouring the polymer liquid into a clean bucket. Slowly add the powder while mixing with a paddle mixer. Mix for about 2 to 3 minutes until the blend is smooth and lump-free. Let it stand for a minute, then give it another quick mix. Pot life is around 45 minutes, so we only mix what we can use in that time. With our mix ready, we'll apply the first coat. Use a roller or brush and lay down a generous, even coat across the wall and junctions. While that first coat is still wet, we're going to embed the Actflex Superflex tape. The tape goes on every corner, every wall-to-floor junction, and all transitions. Press it into the wet membrane using a brush or penny roller so it's fully saturated and bonded. Overlaps on the tape should be at least 50 millimeters. We'll go around the room and repeat this for every joint and penetration. After about 4 to 6 hours, once the first coat has dried, we apply the second coat of Actflex 988. This time, we apply it at a right angle to the first coat. That cross layer gives us strength and continuity. We'll check coverage with a wet film gauge to make sure we're on track for the right thickness. If the job requires it, we can apply a third coat, again after 4 to 6 hours, to make sure we reach the minimum dry film thickness. The target system build is at least 1.2 millimeters dry film thickness overall. 2 coats usually get us there, but a third coat ensures extra durability. Once the membrane is in place, we finish by sealing the perimeter. At the top termination where the 988 meets the PVC panel, for flood testing, we need to allow a full 7 days. During curing, the surface must be protected from rain, condensation, or early foot traffic. Once it's fully dry, we check with torch and mirror in the corners. Make sure there are no pinholes, no gaps, and that the tape is fully embedded. This completes the waterproofing system for PVC panel walls using Actflex 988 cementitious membrane, Actflex Superflex tape, and Actflex SA tape.